everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now seafood is something that I personally love and crabs are my all-time favorite. Today I'm going to share a wonderful crab recipe with you guys and we're going to make this nice fresh and spicy masala that goes into the crab curry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the crab masala, first I'm going to roast a few ingredients. For this, take a pan, add just a teaspoon of oil. So add a few cloves of garlic. Have about 6 large cloves, 2 pieces of ginger that's been cut into half, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of whole peppercorns and about 8 red chillies. So you can use any variety red chillies. Roast all the ingredients for about 3 to 4 minutes till you get a nice aroma. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, turn off the stove, cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. So add a little water gradually and grind it to a nice fine paste. So the masala paste is done, keep this aside. Heat a wide tawa or a big pan. So I've taken a nice white tawa here. Make sure it's nice and deep. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the tawa is nice and hot, add about half teaspoons of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, next add about 3 large onions finely chopped. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden brown color. So now I'm going to add the ground masala paste. Next add 3 chopped green chillies, 5 medium-sized tomatoes, next add 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, add a few curry leaves, just give it a quick mix. So make sure you cook the masala at least for about 5 to 6 minutes till the raw smell goes. So you can see the masala has come together beautifully. So these are fresh blue crabs that I've picked up today and this is about close to 2 kilos. So I'm adding about 2 cups of water. The crab has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. You can see the masala has come together so beautifully. All the excess water is evaporated. The masala is thickened. And you can see the color change as well. Crab's got a lovely orange color. So this is a nice indication that your crabs are cooked. The crab masala is done. You can turn off the stove and serve it nice and hot with some hot steaming rice. There you go. Here is this fantastic crab masala, and using these fresh spices adds a lot of flavor to the crab masala, and it's best served with some nice hot steaming rice. So do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.